We are Samantha and Wade.
A husband and wife dreaming of adventures.
For the past couple of years, we put traveling on hold.
During that time, we purchased a tiny home, completely renovated it, and once the hard work was done, we decided it was time to travel again.
Then COVID-19 shut everything down.
Now that things are getting back to normal, we decided it was time to get out and start exploring.
So follow along with us as we take you on one of those adventures. In this episode, Samantha tries something new.
Freaking out.
Remy wags his tail. And we say goodbye to Natchez.
So let's go find a coffee shop that's open. All right, so now that we have rested, we are about to go get some more food. Where are we going, babe?
Fat Mama's.
We're gonna go to Fat Mama's Tamales. We hear that they have really good tamales and knock your clothes off. What is it called?
Daiquiris. Margaritas.
I think it's knock your clothes off daiquiris. No, knock your clothes off margaritas. Pretty sure that's their slogan. So we're gonna go get that as like a pregame for the night. Yeah. Okay guys, these are the Knock You Naked Margaritas. And then we've got a half batch of tamales, which I just realized they are ground beef, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat any of them. But Wade is, so go ahead.
Boy, that's hot. Really good.
Really?
Those are really good. Maybe I think you would like it. Yeah, that's nice and spicy too. Try a little bit. Here she goes.
Oh no. Okay. Guys, I have not eaten ground beef in 10 years. Oh.
Pretty good.
Oh, they're spicy.
Yeah, I know.
Woo!
They're just good.
The smallest amount was the half dozen, so we had to get a half dozen. Woo, they're spicy. Not too bad though.
They're white.
You enjoying those tamales?
Yeah, very much so.
They're basically gone. I'm glad they didn't go to waste. I'll take another bite.
You want all this?
No, half of that. Okay, so ended up not hating the tamales. Had a couple bites. Probably ended up being about a whole tamale to myself, and then the rest of the tamales Wade ate. We still have some margaritas left. They were and are so delicious. We don't really drink margaritas all that often, but they're frozen and just, I don't know, they're just really good. And I'm in the mood to get a po' boy. Never had one. I think I want a shrimp po' boy. So we're gonna go check out this place called Biscuits and Blues. So let's see what we can get into. Alright, so they serve complimentary biscuits, and I didn't ask, but it looks like it's honey butter, so we're gonna check these out. These look amazing. This is so nice. To be a Southerner and go to a southern town that you've never been to, but they offer like southern things. It's just the best thing. Like, it feels like you're at home, but you're experiencing something new. And it was a surprise. I didn't know they were gonna give us biscuits.
All right, so there's the red beans and rice.
And there is the veggie po' boys and french fries, thank you, and shrimp to add. I'm not sure if I even like shrimp. I don't think I've ever had shrimp in my life. I'm pretty sure I've never had shrimp in my life. But we've got some fried shrimp. We've got these veggie po' boys. They have lettuce and mayo, and it looks like pickles and fried green tomatoes, which actually is very much up my alley. And then we've got like amazing crinkle cut fries. So we're gonna share this.
I'm not sharing it.
Wade's not sharing it. We're gonna share the fries. He's gonna eat his red beans and rice, and he'll probably help me with the shrimp. I'm still worried about it. I don't know. I'm just gonna try this on its own. Do you wanna try this shrimp with me?
Nope.
You don't like shrimp, do you? If McAllister was here, it would not go to waste. It doesn't look appealing. I'm like kind of freaking out. What?
I went.
Y'all enjoyed it all? Have a good day, okay? Everything good for y'all?
You like it?
I don't know. I think I should just put it on the po' boy. And we're gonna eat the po' boy like it was meant to be eaten. So yeah, our waiter was super cool. He told us that we could check out the basement, and then he said that there was like something really cool upstairs. They host like parties and whatnot, and there's a neat balcony, so I'm gonna go check that out. But these amazing spiral staircases are just like running up through the restaurant, so we just had to check it out. So let's go see what's upstairs. Okay, so upstairs is really cool. But I can't get out to the balcony. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be able to go out from this way. There is some stairs, like regular stairs, leading up, but it's dark, so I'm not gonna go up there. But this restaurant was really cool. I got to try some shrimp for the first time in my life. Let's go say hey to our boy. I'm gonna go drop our leftovers off in the Airbnb, go get our boy. I think we're gonna take him on a nice stroll around Natchez.
Hey, Remy.
Okay, so we got Remy.
Just so high up that
If we would have been here earlier today, we would have saw a wedding because they had it all set up like someone got married today. I think it was Connor and, was it Connor and Kinsey? Connor and Kinsey got married out here today. It's such a nice little garden. This town, I just fell. This town is so cute. I love it.
this way, Rennie.
Look, about just fell off those stairs. So, that would not have been good. We found where the wedding party is hanging out tonight. They're just hollering out, singing, and having a good old time. See? Like, right back there. So cool. This may be their getaway car. That's so cute. Look at this little tail. It's so pretty outside. Remy's getting all the pets. Everybody's loving on him. And there's so many people out here. It's like, I don't know if this is how Natchez is every weekend, but it's so nice out here. We're really enjoying it. All the people and just the nice sunset on the river. Guys, Natchez downtown is like so cool. We've been by ourselves for a while, checking out all of the cute houses they have, all the historic homes, bed and breakfast. It's so neat. Wade said this is his favorite part of the day. So
Yeah, now they're playing the LSU fight song.
yeah, because we're literally like down the street from Louisiana.
Yeah, not too far away from Baton Rouge.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Good morning. We're out sightseeing. No one is awake, just us and tons of old people. We went up a huge hill after we went down it. It was kind of intense. And I think we're about to get some coffee and maybe like a pastry. So let's go find a coffee shop that's open. Okay, so we just went into Natchez Coffee Co. and I got a blueberry coffee and Wade got a signature, just regular coffee. And then I got a lemon poppy seed muffin and he got a cinnamon roll. So it was a cute little place. Smells really good in there too. Did you have a good time at the Coffee Co?
Ready to go?
Look
Let's
how
go.
awesome. Everywhere we go, we've seen nothing but dog bowls.
Come on. Yeah, and everyone's got dog treats.
Yeah, and even when we went to the brew house yesterday, the guy was like, I told him I had a dog, so I wanted to check out the menu and then like let Wade, I wanted to take a menu to Wade because he was outside and couldn't come in. And he was like, oh yeah, and there's a spigot and there's bowls. So like we could, if we didn't have anything to like give Remy water, which we had our bowl and we had bottles of water, but that was just the coolest thing. And then he came out and was giving dog treats to all the dogs. It was just really cool. This town is like so dog friendly and I don't think we've ever experienced anything like this. So now I think we're gonna be on a mission to check out more places that are like this.
Yes.
Yeah, because I don't know, it just feels like so welcoming that we have him. Like obviously he can't go inside, but like that he's allowed to be on property, like if we eat outside and just to go places. So it's really cool. I think we're about to walk back to our Airbnb, sip on some more coffee. This blueberry coffee is amazing. And it went really well with the lemon poppy seed muffin that I got. How was your food and your coffee?
My cinnamon roll was really good.
Yeah, I wish they would have offered to warm them up, but
It was alright.
it was fine. Yeah, and it looked like they had like a buffet they were putting out like with warm breakfast, and the locals looked like they knew what was happening, but it's okay. I probably wouldn't have gotten that anyways. But the coffee, the blueberry cobbler, I don't know if they make that in-house, but it is amazing. And
So this is where we're going to end today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you've ever been to Natchez and what you like about Natchez, or any other little town that looks like Natchez.
yeah,
Let us
and
know,
it's
'cause
dog friendly.
Yeah, because we would like to.
Yeah,
maybe
come
visit
check
one
your
day.
town out maybe.
Yep.
Bye guys!
Bye. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe and follow along as we travel the Natchez Trace Parkway and discover new and unique stops along the way.